Hi students, the third problem in ray optics. The focal length of a convex lens is 10 cm in air. Its focal length in water having refractive index 4/3 is to be found. Given that the refractive index for glass is 3/2 in air. Okay. Now it is similar to that of the previous problems. Only one difference is here the radius of curvature of the two surfaces of the lens, they are not given, that's all. Okay. Now when the glass lens is kept in air, the first medium is air and the second medium is glass. So I will write the lens maker's formula. 1/f in air is equal to mu of the second medium glass divided by mu of the first medium air minus 1 into 1/r1 minus 1/r2. So this is equation 1. When the glass is immersed in water, the medium surrounding the glass is water. So here the first medium is water and the second medium is glass. So once again, if I write the lens maker's formula for the second case, 1/f in water is equal to mu of the second medium glass divided by mu of the first medium water minus 1 into 1/r1 minus 1/r2. Now we can eliminate this term 1/r1 minus 1/r2 by dividing the first equation by the second equation. So dividing equation 1 by equation 2. If I divide means these two factors get cancelled and the left hand side will become what? 1/FA divided by 1/F water will become product of F water divided by 1. So the division can be represented by multiplication also. So this is now equal to, on the right hand side, the numerator is what? Mu glass by mu air minus 1. So mu glass is given as 3.2. So 3.2 divided by mu air is 1. So this is 3/2 divided by 1 minus 1 whole divided by mu glass 3/2 divided by 4/3 minus 1. So this is now equal to 3/2 divided by 1 is 3/2 only. So 3/2 minus 1 whole divided by, this is 3/2 divided by 4/3. This can be written as 3/2 into 3/4. Okay, into 3/4 minus 1. Okay. Now left hand side will become F water divided by F air. So this is now equal to 3/2 minus 1. Yes, 3 minus 2/2. So this is 3 minus 2 divided by 2 whole divided by, this is 3 into 3 9, 9/8 minus 1. Okay. So this is 9/8 minus 1. Once again this is equal to 3 minus 2 divided by 2 is 1/2. So 1/2 divided by 9/8 minus 1 is 9 minus 8. So this is 9 minus 8 divided by 8. So this is equal to 1/2 divided by 1/8. So the mathematical calculation you can do still shortly. Understand, very fast also you can do. I have done systematically, step by step, but in the examination we should make it fast. Okay. So I will write therefore F W divided by F A is now equal to 1/2 divided by 1/8. So this is 1/2 into 8/1. So this is equal to 8/2 is equal to 4. Therefore F water is equal to 4 times F air. So this is equal to 4 into the focal length of the convex lens in air is given as 10 centimeter. So I can write into 10. So that this is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay. Therefore F water, that is the focal length of the lens when it is immersed in water, is equal to what? 40 centimeter. So which is the option is D. D is the correct answer. So the option D, F is equal to 40 centimeter is the correct answer. So systematically, if you substitute the values in the Lensmaker's formula and eliminate this second term, means the answer will be correct. Okay. So the same type of problem, now 1, 2, 3 we have solved. Okay. Type of the problem is the same, but the conditions given are different. So be thorough with all such possibilities of the same kind of problems. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.